Earthquakes are natural phenomena primarily caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which are massive slabs of the Earth's lithosphere that float on the semi-fluid asthenosphere beneath them. These plates constantly shift, albeit slowly, at rates of a few centimeters per year, driven by forces such as mantle convection, ridge push, and slab pull. As tectonic plates interact at their boundaries, they can either diverge, converge, or slide past one another, leading to different types of faults and associated seismic activity. Most earthquakes occur along plate boundaries, where the friction between plates can cause them to become stuck. Over time, stress builds up due to the continuous movement of the plates. When the stress exceeds the frictional force holding the plates together, a sudden release of energy occurs, resulting in an earthquake. This energy is released in the form of seismic waves, which propagate through the earth, causing the ground to shake. The intensity of this shaking can vary significantly, depending on the amount of energy released and the distance from the epicenter of the quake. There are three main types of plate boundaries: divergent, convergent, and transform. At divergent boundaries, tectonic plates move away from each other, allowing magma to rise and create new crust, often resulting in smaller earthquakes. Convergent boundaries occur when plates collide, leading to one plate being forced beneath another in a process known as subduction. This type of boundary is responsible for the majority of the world's largest earthquakes, as immense pressure builds up before being released. Transform boundaries, where plates slide past each other, can also generate significant seismic activity, exemplified by the San Andreas Fault in California. Faults are classified based on their movement characteristics. Normal faults occur when the crust is being stretched, causing one block of rock to move down relative to another. Reverse faults, on the other hand, occur under compressional stress, where one block is pushed up over another. Strike-slip faults feature horizontal movement, with the two sides of the fault sliding past each other. Each of these fault types contributes to the complex dynamics of earthquake generation. In addition to tectonic earthquakes, other types of seismic events can occur, such as those induced by human activities like hydraulic fracturing or the disposal of wastewater. However, these events are generally less powerful than tectonic earthquakes. The effects of earthquakes can be devastating, particularly in densely populated areas. They can lead to structural damage, tsunamis, and landslides, depending on their magnitude and location. Seismologists use various scales, such as the Richter scale and the moment magnitude scale, to measure the size and impact of earthquakes, helping to inform preparedness and response strategies. In summary, earthquakes are a direct consequence of the dynamic nature of the Earth's crust, driven by the movement of tectonic plates. Understanding the mechanisms behind these natural events is crucial for developing effective measures to mitigate their impact on society and the environment.